me, it was energy. And I'll tell you something else. The whole 12 weeks, we filmed that in Melbourne, travel down there every week. I took a sheet of paper with me and I had it in my bag the whole time. And it had 3 things written on it. Be prepared, be professional, and be yourself. So that was 2009. That was some 23 years ago after that school kid I told you about froze on stage because he didn't understand what leadership was. He didn't understand how to be one. And back then, the idea of leadership terrified me. I thought it was all about the burden of responsibility of others. But now I embrace it because I know that leadership takes you down many paths. It comes in many, many forms. It will have many different outcomes for you. It will help you guide others, but it will ultimately guide you first.